Annyeonghaseyo, Honey and Claire.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So what happened to you, my dear Claire? Claire have a fever and she's not feeling well right now. And earlier during our teachers meeting, the two of you received 500 each hatag. And that is from SJ name.
SJ name, Annyeonghaseyo, Kamsahamnida.
And another 500 each. And that is from Victory name.
Victory name, Annyeonghaseyo, Kamsahamnida.
Okay. Take a rest, Claire. And buy your food na. You have money na. Bye! Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Mildred.
Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Arlene.
So, a while ago, wala ka sa meeting ganiha, kayo have important matter niadtuan. So, you have 5 kilos of rice and that is from Enter Team.
Enter Team, Annyeonghaseyo, Kamsahamnida.
And also, you have 1,000 pesos from Mactan Korea.
Mactan Korea channel, Annyeonghaseyo, Kamsahamnida.
And you have 1,000 pesos from Amagitonim.
Amagitonim, Annyeonghaseyo, Kamsahamnida.
And another 500 pesos from Yongcholnim.
Yongcholnim, Annyeonghaseyo, Kamsahamnida.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Yung hasayo. So karon mo niya magipalit duha ka bugas ug biskwit nako og kalulang ng sabon. Ichang ko ni manyong hasayo. Kamsahamnida. Bye bye. Kamsahamnida.
Bye.
Make your wish come true, said a sing-song voice from corner of the room. Cinderella gasped. There was a fairy waving her wand. With one magic spell, the fairy changed Cinderella rags into a beautiful ball dress.
안녕하세요, ate.
안녕하세요.
So, please introduce yourself.
안녕하세요. 저는 12살 중학교 1학년 Queenie입니다.
Okay, so, this is Ate Queenie from my self-study class, right? So, this coming opening class lang guys, you will going to high school na no? Okay, so, you will be high school this school year. So, you told me earlier that you will be excused for 1 week.
Yes.
Okay, for what reason? Gali lang ga?
On vacation with my family.
Sa Asaman?
Sa Camotes.
Kinsay taga Camotes lang?
Akong mama.
Imong mama. So, kinsay inyong atuan?
Ang lola na ko.
Still besides imong mama. Okay. So, she asked permission to me that she will be excused for 1 week. It is because they will be having a vacation at the Camotes to their grandmother's house. Sakto lang ga. So, together with your whole family, no? Kay your mother just arrived home. So, nauli na imong mama from, asa galito nga ko nila?
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong. But, wala siya plano mo balik.
Mag-stay ra siya diri sa Pilipinas for one month.
Silbi, vacation na sa niya.
Vacation.
And then, mobalik ka sa siya. Okay. So, ni 1 month ka, dili day, for example, 3 months, nga na.
Dili kay ang ginaklear man gud nga vacation sa dito kay 4 days ra din sinaswertean si mama gi 1 month na lang. Kay yang amo na to po sa India.
So, mo nang gisulit si mong mama, mo na mabisita siya sa iyang mama sa Mulunda. Okay. So, the mother of Ate Queenie is an OFW. Sa gali work si mong mama, ate?
Kanang magbantay ubat o mag-clean sa silang
Kanang domestic helper. So, domestic helper yung mother. So, her mother is a domestic helper and she just arrived home last week to Inday na? Or kagon nga week? This week?
last week.
Last week. Okay, so, last week and then it is only for summer vacation and she will be back there 1 month later. So, you'll be excused to self-study class with that reason. So, it's okay. It's because you asked permission and I will also tell Sir Vicky about this one, ha? Para kanang ma-excuse ka kay your reason is valid na. Okay? So, how about your father lang ka? Ang say work sa mong papa?
Wala.
Wala ka? Siya ay
Pero naa siya kanang mag-ungod kanang murag disco or kanang mag-service. Kaya naman siya sounds. Usay kay basta nami okasyon sa or mag-Christmas party ni sa classroom kay iyahang sounds lang.
Asilbi ka na rintahan og mga speaker
Pero i-free ra niya, iyahara tong ambag dito.
sa Christmas party ninyo. But if other person na bayad, rent fee.
Kanang mag-disco.
Pero siya po ko silbi ka na nag-take good care ninyo Inday sa pang-eskwela kay wala man imong mama ride. So pila mo kay igsuon? 3 siblings. Kinsay first?
Sikoan, akong ate.
Babae, ate. So pila edad si mong ate? 18. College na.
First year college.
First year college. Okay. Asa man nga ako
Sa
eskwelahan?
ACLC.
ACLC, Mandawi. How about kaduhan ninyo?
Akong kuya.
Si kuya ninyo.
Grade 12.
Asa man nga school?
Sa Mactan.
Mactan National High School. And then ikaw? Magta National High School sad. Grade 7 lang na. So, thank you for your permission lang ga, since dapat yun magpahibalo no if ever nang nailakaw or excuse para dili mo magsipangita ni mo asa na ka or dili maabsinan. Okay, so I hope you will enjoy your time together with your family, especially your mother. It is because 1 month ka mo mag-uban lang ka no ya, balik na sad siya, and then kinontrata na imong mama inday. So, dugay pa dyan mo balik magkita. So, enjoy ha? Have fun. And then, cherish the moment together with your mother and your whole family as well. Especially sa imuhang lola. Ha? Bye-bye. Thank you, Ate Queenie.
Bye-bye.
Amping.